Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you English grammar chapter number 2, that is the sentence. Students, before explaining the chapter, I would like to tell you that what is sentence? A sentence, a group of words which make complete meaning, is called sentence. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and it ends with full stop, question mark, or an exclamation. Students, now come to the fun activity. Something is wrong with this group of words. Name, my, Sarla, is. Can you put these words in the correct order? My name is Sarla, as I have written for you students with pencil. The above group of words does not make sense till you arrange them correctly. Students, in the above sentence, my name, my Sarla is. If you will read this line, you will not understand you will not understand this line will not give you the complete meaning. This line will not give you the complete sense, but when I arrange in a proper order, in a proper way, then it gives us a complete meaning. And a sentence always begins with a capital letter, so I have written M in capital form, and a sentence always ends with full stop, so that I have put full stop at the end of the sentence. Now arrange the group of words correctly so that they make sense. Begin the first word of each sentence with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Students, now we will come to the exercise. A. New a skirt have I. Students, when you will read all the question A to Z, A to E, then you will feel that the sentence has been written in a confused way. So I will write in a I will arrange these sentences in a correct order, and then it will give the complete sense, it will give the complete meaning. Question A. Name a skirt have I. I have a new skirt. Very much you thank. Thank you very much. Pet I have new a. I have a new pet. Father office has to gone. Father has gone to office. Sorry, I am so. I am so sorry. Students, I have started every sentences, and the the word of the sentence, first letter of the sentence, I have written in a capital form, and I have ended the sentence with full stop. Now we know that a sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. A sentence must begin with a capital letter and with full stop or a question mark, having a doing word verb. Students, as I have already explained you, that a group of words which make complete meaning and expresses our thoughts is a sentence. While writing a sentence, we begin it with a capital letter and end with a full stop. And you will see that in every sentence, whatever we write, whatever we speak, any sentence, we will find a doing word also, a verb also. We will read chapter verb in the next chapter. Now page number 10. Match column A with B with column B to make sentences. Students, I have already done for you. You can take the screenshots of these pages and then you can write at your home with pencil in your book. So you will match these columns. Mother has gone to work. The sun is setting. The children are flying kites. We have all a holiday tomorrow. The lazy boys were fast asleep. The doing words or verbs in the above sentences are were, have, has, is, and are. Now, section C. Tick the group of words that make sense. My grandfather is 80 years old. Students, this sentence gives us complete meaning, complete sense. So, this sentence is correct. Cat my called is tubby. This sentence is not correct, and this sentence does not give us complete meaning. And these group of words do not make complete sense. They do not begin with a capital letter and they do not end with a full stop. Students, these are not sentences. So I have put cross mark. Ice cream I like. So this sentence also This is also a wrong sentence. 2nd October is Gandhi Jayanti, so I have put tick mark. I will open the door. This sentence gives us complete meaning, complete sense, so I have put tick mark here. Now section D. Begin each sentence with a capital letter and end with a full stop, students. Now we will the question 1 is a lotus grows in a pond. Students, this sentence gives us complete meaning, but the rule is we have to start the first letter with a capital form, and we will end the sentence in with full stop. So I will set in this way. A lotus grows in a pond. We go for a morning walk every Sunday. I find this some difficult. She is a good singer. A young cat is called Kitten. Students, I have started each sentences and the first letter of the sentence has been written in a capital form, and I have ended the sentence with full stop. Now tick the correct option. Peter and Janak went to school. This sentence is right, so I have put tick mark here. I am a boy. Father is busy with work. Swimming is a good exercise. The dog is barking at the stranger. I have put tick mark in option 2. Now section F. Complete these sentences with suitable words. End each sentence with a full stop. I go to school daily. The little baby is smiling. I love to play. Every evening my grandmother goes to park. The tiger is our national animal. Students, I have written for you. You can take screenshots of these pages, and then you can write at your home with pencil. I hope that you understood. Thank you very much. All the very best.